Friday the 28th.
Keep my glasses. I had surgery on my ox.
It's okay. I'm okay with that.
Thank
Good morning, Ms. Williams. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
you.
Okay.
On August 11th, 2024, at approximately 4:30 in the morning, officers were dispatched to a traffic hazard call. On scene, they observed that the defendant's vehicle had struck a tow truck. The flatbed of the tow truck had partially severed the roof of her car. The tow truck driver indicated that he did not hear her brake.
Whoa. Did you say that the tow truck took off the roof of her car?
Yes, Your Honor, like Jane Mansfield.
Took off the roof?
It partially severed it, yes, Your Honor.
Lucky she wasn't decapitated.
Yes, Your Honor. The defendant was in the driver's seat. She was unconscious. Officers.
Holy moly.
The defendant was breathing and she had a strong odor of alcohol in her breath. There was an open bottle of Patron tequila with 2 shot glasses in the car. The defendant and her front passenger were taken to Memorial Hermann Hospital. A search warrant was drawn and blood was taken.
So they took blood.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have the results of that blood? I'd like to know what, if anything else was in there in the system.
Not yet, Your Honor. This happened on the 11th.
Miss Williams, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. You're lucky to be alive, ma'am. Do you have a Texas driver license? You were not allowed to drive. Do you understand? You will be signing an affidavit with me today, promising me you're not going to drive. I don't care if Mother Teresa needs a ride to church. You drive, you'll be facing an additional 6 months every single time you drive, because I will have a contempt of court hearing, 6 months every single time you drive. Do you understand? If you want to drive, go get a license and liability insurance, and then we can talk. But until that point, unless I know that you have an eligible license in the DPS system,
Your Honor, it's eligible.
she's telling me she doesn't have one.
She's eligible.
Yeah.
Okay, then not until you get an actual license and liability insurance. Do you understand? Go get those 2, come back to me, show me that you have both, and then I'll allow you to drive. But until that point, do not drive. I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using anything, likewise, you will go to jail. You will not get any more PR bonds.
Yes, sir.
How old are you, Miss Williams?
31.
What do you do for a living?
Construction.
We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. If you like your license, I would get on it quick, because there's a lot of timing requirements where if you wait too long, you might subject yourself to losing your license. I will have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I will then get you to Billy. After you sign a reset with Billy, you'll get with Rachel for your bond conditions. And after that, you'll be free to go. Be careful, ma'am. Don't use. Okay, come on.